Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be making some quick chicken wings. I already have my chicken washed and clean, and I already cut them up already. So I'm going to season them right now. Alright guys, so I have my go-to seasonings. I use the seasonings for like mainly everything. I have this one, the Cajun Stuff Your Mama, some Creole, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. And I never use mustard on my fried chicken. Just now, I didn't grow up doing it like that, but I'm gonna do it. This is my second time doing it, using it. Alright, let's do this real quick. Guys, it is 8:45 p.m. and it is Friday. Friday the 3rd. The kids are on, today was their last day of school. They have Thanksgiving break, the whole week they're off, thank God. And I'm off, I was off today. And I took tomorrow off, Saturday. I usually work every Saturdays, but I took it off. So I don't go back to work until my regular day, Tuesday. So yeah, I'm just chilling. Tomorrow I'm gonna, me and the kids gonna clean the bathroom. Both of the bathrooms, my bathroom, and then I'm gonna help them with their bathroom. And then we're just gonna my husband's gonna mop and sweep and stuff. And organize some more of the house stuff so we can get ready for Thanksgiving. He's also off this weekend. He works every other weekend, and I work 3 days for the week. Actually, when we went to Dollar Tree was to find, we were looking for something for our baby, and I just went ahead and got all of the Thanksgiving tray. Well, I'm still missing 2, but I got this one for the potato salad. I got this big one for the macaroni, the mac and cheese. I got these 2 little ones. It came with 2 for the cornbread. And then this is for the ham. We're not doing turkey. We don't eat turkey. So we do ham for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I'm the one that do all the cooking. And we got 2 because to double it up. Oh, see, well, I'm missing, what am I missing? We're gonna do, I forgot what you call it, stuffing. So I'm missing a pan for that. And some foil. I don't cook a lot of stuff for Thanksgiving. I cook just like the main dishes. And I'm missing the bag where you have to put the ham inside of. You know that bag you wrap it in so it can keep moist or whatever. Soft or whatever you call it. Anyways, that's that. Let me finish with this. And I have baby boy right here. He's sleeping. He gave me trouble to go to sleep. But anyways, let me finish this. Before I started doing this, I was decorating the baby high chair because he turned 6 months on the 18th. So that's what I was doing because I'm gonna I have to go get him a cupcake when my husband get home so we can celebrate his 6-month birthday. Not birthday, his 6 month. I did a cupcake for each month. And then because he turned 6 months, you know, that's halfway through 1 year, I decorated his little high chair. I'm gonna show you guys. And then we're just gonna sing happy 6 month for him. But it's quiet now. My son is in the room. My oldest son is in the room. I don't know what he's doing. My daughter is putting on nails. And the baby's sleeping. And my husband at work. So, I honestly didn't want to cook today either. I really never want to cook. I do it because I have to, but I wasn't feeling it at all today. But I said I'll just do some quick chicken wings.
Oh, I didn't know you put mustard on your chicken wings.
No, I don't. This is the second time I put mustard on it. You see, my daughter's like, she don't put mustard on it. But this is how people cook. Well, I guess American people cook their chicken wings. Oh, Black American. I don't know. I'm black, but Black American. You don't taste the mustard though. It just give it a good flavor when it's all finished.
So yeah, she was saying that I was putting on nails. So here it is.
Yeah.
For Thanksgiving.
It's actually, well, it's not for Thanksgiving, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or I just get it
Well, Thanksgiving is all the way next Thursday.
So.
Yeah, but those nails, they're actually pretty short.
Yes.
Which is, they actually look really good and natural. For sure. Yeah. But I told her she cannot wear it for school.
That's why I wanted to wear it right now. Because if I wear it on Wednesday, then it's going to last for
The
school.
only time she could wear it for school, you know, is if like she's having like a Christmas dance. Or, you know, any type of celebration. Or it's her birthday or something like that. But to just wear it in class, no. I don't even wear nails. I only wear it on special occasions.
You know, on the first day of school, almost all the girls, like in 6th grade, were wearing nails. It wasn't just French tips. They had a lot of designs.
Oh my god, no. I have a problem with nails at all. I love nails. I just don't do it because, for me personally, it's a waste of money. Now, if I had a limited amount of money, then I would do it all the time. But I feel like it's a big waste of money. When I do my nails, it literally come up to, how much? $100. And to be doing that every 2 weeks, or even if you try and stretch it for every 3 weeks, no, I can't. But it's just not one thing that I really care to do. But if it's my birthday or we're going out or something like that, we actually have a trip coming up. But I'm not going to tell you guys about that trip yet, but I am going to get my nails done for the trip.
Me too, right?
Yeah.
Want to get matching?
Yeah. Let me hurry up and do this.
I mean, if your nail's going to be simple, then I don't mind.
It is going to be simple, because let me tell you something.
Not like
You have to pay $5 for each design, so yeah. You're
I know
not going to be
designs are
getting
not hard.
a whole bunch of
It's
designs.
just a charm on it and stuff. And little swirls. It's not even hard.
Yeah, that's
I'm just saying
$5
simple,
per.
because I know
You're
you're
not gonna be
simple.
getting. You
All
could
you're
probably
gonna
get one design for $5, and that's it. Because I think you could do like five, or whatever
Yeah, because I
design.
already
you
know
want.
your designs. Your designs is just like white, and then one thing, and then the ring finger is like glitter.
Yeah, you can do it, but you're not getting a whole bunch of designs, like I said. That costs extra. Let me finish doing this chicken.
But is this too much?
Yeah. I told you it could only be one design. Nails by itself with one design
What do you mean one
costs
design?
$100. I mean, I do my toes as well. You could get it on one finger. That's what I mean. One finger on each hand. So you could either do. Most people do this, the married finger, or the index finger.
Okay. Wait, so
That's how
look,
we
that
want.
dark blue line that's like around it counts as a design?
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, so I'll just do all blue friendships and then the ring finger, how that is.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's expensive just for that little line.
Yeah, it's $5 each design, extra. Excuse me. At least where I go. But that's most places.
Let's look at the phone.
Put extra seasoning. Guys, I usually don't put eggs directly like this into it, but I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm feeling lazy and I don't feel like doing all that extra stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. These are the eggs that I'm using. The cage-free brown eggs. What else I'm missing? Huh? The beat is cool. The beat of the dance.
You know what dance I'm talking about?
Yeah, well, don't play it. I don't want to this video to get copyrighted right now. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, I know it's not bad. Wait.
I didn't look it up the word.
Ugh, it fell on the floor. Excuse me, Royce. Guys, I would play music, my Alexa. I always like to play music when I'm cooking most of the time. And my husband, he plays music every day, all day, when we're just chilling in the house. But the videos that I do have music in, they get copywritten. So, which means whoever knows what that means, you guys know. So I'm gonna be putting this cornstarch and flour. I'm just gonna mix it together and dip it in. And dip each one in. Oh, Andrew, you playing the game now? You playing the game? I'm gonna season this corn starch and flour. Yeah, I have no more onion powder. Give me another one. Alright, so I got my onion. Some more onion. Okay. Mix that thing up real good. So a little more because my flour is still wet. You don't want it to be wet. Alexa, put a 8-minute timer.
8 minutes, starting now.
I never remember how many minutes to fry chicken wings for. I just put it and I check it. The worst thing when I'm cooking, I hate when I'm finished cooking and my clothes smell like food. I hate that. So this whole outfit gotta go straight in the dirty clothes when I'm finished. Even though I just washed it the other day. Yeah. Okay, I don't want to overpack my my thing. Alright. Alright guys, this is the first batch of chicken that I made. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. The rest is frying up right now. And me and my daughter, we're doing a dance that she want to do. Look at that chicken. Look at it. Look at it. Look at all that noise out there. Oh. Quiet down, Meowsers. Let me put the last batch in. Angelo! Angelo? I don't know if you can hear me. Alexa, stop. Alexa, 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. I thought that was the last batch, but actually we still got one more batch.
How much is
Okay.
that?
I just put in as much as to fit. I actually don't need this anymore. I usually like to clean up all my stuff while I'm cooking, but I left these stuff out only because I thought I was gonna have to make more flour, but I don't think I'm gonna need to make more. Season some more flour. I think that's it. Guys, it's cold right now. We're here in Florida. And for you guys who are in Florida, you guys know it's always hot. But right now it is 61 degrees, so it's very chilly. So it's starting to feel like Christmas, which is exciting because it's always hot. So it feels really good outside.
This morning it was 54 degrees. It was so cool.
Yeah, it was 54 degrees. It's been getting cooler like lately, but today was the first day where it actually got in the 50s. Alright guys, so we have one more batch of chicken. But this is all of the chicken right here. We have 7 more pieces to cook. And that's it. I think I'm going to wrap this video up. Like I said, it was a really short cooking video because I only did chicken wings. And in between me cooking the chicken wings, me and my daughter, we were doing a dance. And I was decorating the baby high chair. So I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys are having a good night. And I hope you guys have a good weekend. Bye.
Good thing.